Alright, we are at the Le Moana, Bora Bora. We have beach bungalow number 57. Let's take a little tour. Alright, walking in, we have this little living area. There's TV, coffee maker, water heater, and a little mini bar down below. Little sitting area right here. And then a little workspace, which will come in handy for us. And the bedroom. 2 twin beds pushed together as a king. Storage closet, safe, robes, extra bedding, and some drawers. And then in the bathroom, double sink, bathtub, which would have been nice if it had a view, standing shower, and toilet. Now let's check out the view out our bedroom window. A little TV area right there. Kind of an older TV. Alright, so out our bedroom window, have a little deck with 2 little deck chairs looking over the water. Water looks incredible. And then out the living room, we have access to the deck through sliding doors. I think we're going to enjoy our time here on the beach pretty well. Alright, here on the deck you can hear the water lapping at the beach. Our own little slice of beach just for us. I can deal with that. It was kind of sad that we weren't going to be in an overwater bungalow, but we will at our next property. And so seeing this room and seeing our little own piece of private beach, I'm kind of excited to not be in an overwater bungalow. Being able to walk right out your room, right to the beach is pretty awesome. Here's a glimpse at the rest of the property from our beach. Some overwater bungalows there, and another collection over there. We're down on the end of the overwater bungalows. It's a long walk back to the beach. And then down the beach, the other beach bungalows. And the view of the mountain. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos from our Bora Bora trip and how you can do it too.